Hey, what's going on? Have you been trying to figure out how to clean your bathroom like a pro? Well, you come to the right video because I am a professional house cleaner. I actually own and operate my own business, and I'm definitely going to share with you 5 tips that's going to help you clean like a pro. So with that being said, consider subscribing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you assess the bathroom first. You want to keep the end goal in mind, and that is whether you have a lot of dirt, grime. You got to think about time and different things like that. And then the second tip is that you want to start with spraying your chemical, whether it's eco-friendly, whatever you choose to use. Make sure you start with that first because the product needs to sit and get the job done. I'm going to start with your toilet bowl first, then your sink and vanity, your shower, and then the out surfaces of the toilet, and let everything sit as you remove items out of your shower onto the sink and vanity area, so that'll be the first place you start. Third tip you're going to want to use is starting from top to bottom, and that means removing all the dust from your light fixtures, baseboards, getting rid of that trash, clothes or toys, kind of tidying that up, and getting those mats off the floor. This is going to be your best result to get the job done towards the end, keeping the end in mind. Now the fourth tip is getting the job done. Go ahead and wipe everything down, starting from the shower, moving to the vanity, sink and vanity, then your toilet is last. Last but not least, your fifth tip that I highly recommend is that you start from the farthest area, whether it's your toilet, your shower, and moving towards exiting out of the bathroom. And the reason that is so you're not backtracking any dirt or anything as you clean the floor. So you're sweeping first, then you're mopping, and then once the floor is dry, you place everything back. Now your bathroom is clean and you've officially cleaned like a pro. Now, the more you continue to do it, of course, you'll get better with time and you get a better idea to get the scope of the job to get it done just like that. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.